Yeah, it's your boy, Becco, man. You don't know, back at it again. Another lovely day, you know, as always. Give thanks and praise for life, you know. So, me and little man just decided we're going to chill out today. And mommy went out. So, we're going to go to the beach. You going to beach, Papa?
No, I don't want to go to the beach.
You don't want to go beach?
No, I want to go to the beach.
So, where you want to go?
I want to go to the beach.
You want to go swimming?
No, I want to go to the beach.
Oh, okay. Yeah, well, 5 minutes ago you wanted to go beach. Yeah. I guess now all you want to do is just chill and relax, take his ride in the sun. But as I said, another lovely day, you know, beautiful, nice beautiful powerboat out there. And it seems like they have a little bit of action down on the beach. So, let's go. Where are you going? Huh? I can't stay home. Huh? See? Watch. Watch.
Hello. Hello.
Small Peter, what's going on? Huh? What? Where's it? You don't talk?
What are you talking? What are you saying? Huh? You talking to the girl?
Girl.
Yeah, me.
Nice girlfriend?
Girlfriend.
Yeah. You got too much
God,
girlfriend.
can't come here.
Yeah. Hi, she's going to talk to it again.
You don't want to talk to me again?
This is
But you're teaching your son's friend now.
No, that is Gallus language.
It's very easy. When it's wet,
No.
you can't
Listen to me. Listen to me.
and you just take a like.
You see how people just want to come and tell you how to deal with your own picnic? Like if they know.
Boss, I tell him over there. We
Huh?
I tell him over there. We here.
Hello.
His head, not him.
Here we're going on.
His head.
Here we're going on. Me and Christian would be more than happy if you
Yeah, the car.
can come and clear out Aiden here.
I will do that for you.
Alright.
Of course.
Alright. You hear that, right? Where's the one? Girlfriend? Who's girlfriend? Where girlfriend there?
Right here.
That's girlfriend?
Bye. See you later.
Bye.
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 Yeah, later. Later.
I'm going to
You going beach? I thought you wasn't going beach. Now you're going beach?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
Alright.
I can't see it gone.
Girlfriend gone? Yeah, girlfriend gone.
Girlfriend gone, mommy.
Yeah. See, everybody he meets to see girlfriend. Could believe this? Fuck. But yeah, guys, as we were saying, another beautiful day. You know, thankful. Just going to take a walk down the road, see what's going on. It's hot. You know, rain stopped coming again, so y'all know how that is. I love it when it's raining. So yeah, vlogging and hanging out with the little man. We went to the beach. So let's get it, man. What going on, buddy? Any latest? Everything on the back of this truck, boy. Huh? Boy, I'm telling you. Strangest. I see the whole thing 2020.
Why? That's a year never forgot.
A year to remember in history.
Never forgot that year.
Trust me.
I tell them man, who live out this year here, you gotta say born with a star.
Boy.
Like, you know, kind of people like me, then and young people, old people, everybody.
Boy, well, let's say no sickness here, you know, you can gender.
Yeah.
That age, you know, when it come for it, come for you.
Never see it.
Yeah.
Like a stupid thing happen.
Okay, okay. Yeah. My boy Rohan. Don't know. If you're looking to get your gas, my man have all of that. If you're looking for your veggies, my man have all of that. You know. That's a mobile one stop. You know. Yeah, Papa, we going. Or we going to take a walk down the road first. You want to take a walk?
I'll take a walk.
You want to take a drive?
I want to take a drive.
Why? I take a drive. Huh? Yeah, the truck? Yeah. Truck? Yeah, truck. Yeah. Van? Van? Yes, sir. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, the truck going. Yeah. You seen me? Yeah, yeah. Uh-huh.
Wow,
Yeah, boats. All the boats sailing. Whoa. Yeah. The boat sailing. Yeah. So we're going to go on the beach. So we're going to go on the beach. Okay? Okay. Here guys. So apparently the younger folks them down here doing little sailing and stuff, which is really nice. Good to see that out and about, you know, doing things. So that is really, really good. So me and then gonna just take a quick walk right down here on the beach and see what's happening. Right, Dixie? Let's go. Take a quick walk. Hmm? Yeah. Younger folks down here just sailing around. And they got pretty good weather for it today. So that is really nice. Papa, what are you doing? You playing on beach? Oh. Oh. Papa, when you get sand in your hair, now you have to wash it, you know. You want to wash your hair? You want to wash your hair?
Yeah.
Huh?
You just want to do this.
Exactly. So if you throw sand in your hair, you have to wash it.
Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
Fata beats on the track.
Yes, Papa. Oh! 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 Come, let's go. Let's go to the other beach. Yeah. Come. Come, Papa. Come. Ooh. Eee. You like it? Yeah, good. Oh.
Daddy,
Yeah.
come.
You come.
You. I love you.
It's done. Swim.
I don't.
Swim.
I don't want it.
You don't want it?
Daddy.
Aiden swimming?
No, I want it.
Aiden swimming?
Daddy.
Yeah.
I don't fit.
Huh?
You don't.
What happened?
You don't want to beach.
You going on the beach?
Yes, you don't want beach. You don't want.
Why?
You don't want.
Huh?
You don't want.
What happened?
The beach.
Why?
You want the beach on the walking.
Why?
You want the beach on the walking.
Why?
You want the beach on the walking.
Oh.
But Daddy,
Yeah?
I'm not the beach on the beach. I think you don't need.
Yeah? What else?
I'm not the beach. I think you don't want.
Yeah? What else?
I want to be after the shipping.
Okay. Okay.
Daddy,
Yeah?
you need to be sitting down there.
What's going on? Aiden swim?
Everything.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
Irie.
Daddy.
Bum. I swim.
Bubbles.
Blah, 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 blah.
Bubbles.
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 Yeah, guys. So,
Bubbles.
yo, I don't know much about anybody else, but
Bubbles.
you feeling Christmas?
I'm feeling the business.
You ain't feeling no Christmas?
I want to see Gabby.
Yeah, no Christmas. I don't know what's going on.
Gabby.
Yeah.
Gabby.
Jabby? Where Jabby there?
Gabby home.
Jabby the home, yeah. Jabby the home. But you feeling Christmas?
I feeling the business.
Yeah, you ain't feeling Christmas? No. No.
I got no mommy.
Yeah. Sure. Yeah, guys. You know, normally around this time it'll just be so alive. You know, you got a vibe going on. Now it's just like a normal day. Not true? Normal day?
I think you put it.
Yes, a normal day.
I'm good.
Give daddy kiss.
Good.
Mwah. Thank you.
Okay.
How come?
Our girlfriend.
You want a girlfriend? Where your girlfriend?
Girlfriend go.
Ooh, look at that. Let's look at that water. Well, at least we got that. Not true?
Yes, I got it.
Yeah, we got that.
Bacon. Bacon.
Yeah.